Nobody asked, but I just wanted to tell you that this is how I make my video. These are the gears that I have. First off, we start with these DSLR. So it's been with me for I think about 10 years now. Sometimes I still use it, but most of the time I do not because I just want to keep it. I remember I used to work at a restaurant without getting paid just to save for this badass DSLR. I got this back in 2015, 16 or something. And then now I use GoPro for most of my traveling videos. Sometimes I use my phone for a short distance because, you know, phone consumes battery, so it's not good. So I use this GoPro, which is 12 black. If you've seen my videos in my previous videos, like I've been using this for like a year or something now. And to make the sound quality better, sometimes we have problems with the noise and winds and stuff like that. So I have this thing, a dongle that is compatible with GoPro. I got this a secondhand from eBay. So normally it costs about 70 euros or something. I got it for like 20 or 30. I do not remember. And also to be compatible with this GoPro, I have to have this motherfucker, which is the small rig cage that is used with this dongle and with the GoPro. And then I have this receiver. Sometimes I use it with my phone, sometimes I use it with my GoPro. So these three things are separate. This thing, I bought it for, I do not remember, 4 or 5 euros or something like that. And this is probably, these two combos, probably about 200 euros. And now I have 3 batteries on this. One is already in the GoPro, but yeah, this can help me to survive for a day of like filming. Last but not least, I have this SSD hard drive that I just purchased a few months back. Before that, I have WD, which is now full, and I still have to have this. And of course, my phone, the one that I am recording this one. So that's it. Do I make any money out of these? No. I just love them. I think when you are in love with something, you are kind of crazy with it. Do I make a little bit of money out of it? Yes, a few cents per video, as you have seen. Because there are not so many views. I don't know why. The algorithm just does not want to push my videos. And they just want to push those who shows, you know what I mean. Okay, this is SSD, and then battery for GoPro, DJI mic 2. Do I like them? No, I regret buying these. The reason I bought them because I did not buy all of them at a time. I bought this one the first time I bought this. Then I saved for a couple months to be able to get this thing, this motherfucker. And then a couple more months that I get this. And then this cage, I got it from like AliExpress, which is cheaper compared to Amazon or other platforms like you can find in German. So this is from China. This is like perhaps the cheapest you can find. And this secondhand thing for 30 euros. And this bad boy. This is the machine that I've been using most. You know why? Because it is compatible for almost everything. I can use this in water and whatsoever. Do I regret buying this? Yes, of course. I could have chosen, what was it? Insta 360 or something. They told me that that is way better than a GoPro. So don't buy this if you have enough money. So because I did not buy all of these at a time, so that is why I did this kind of crazy. So all of these took me like a year to be able to buy them. And of course, this bad boy, this is my first camera that I got from 2015 or 16, I do not remember. I worked at a restaurant back in Cambodia. I made like $100 a month. Imagine that, $100. And I did not take my salary from my boss. I remember it took me like 6 months to get this. So back then it was like a huge deal. So that's it. See you in the next one.